Man. All of this throwing and catching the ball is making me thirsty.
Me too, Princess Ariel. Say, do you want to get us some soda from that vending machine over there?
Sure, Prince Eric. I can go get some soda for both of us from the vending machine. I'll be right back.
Alright, Princess Ariel.
Alright. Here's the vending machine. Now I'm going to get some soda for me and Prince Eric. I will get myself a Sprite, and I will get Prince Eric a Diet Coke.
Well. It looks like Princess Ariel didn't realize that I was here the whole time. You know what I'm going to do. I'm going to attack on the vending machine.
Alright. I got the sodas. Now it's time for me to head back to. Ow 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 ow. Megaleg. What was that for? I can't believe you attacked me right after I got the sodas from the vending machine.
Well, Princess Ariel, you were too stupid to notice me sitting on the bench near the vending machine.
Hey, Princess Ariel. Did you get the sodas from the vending machine? Oh my god. Princess Ariel. Are you okay? And who's this Super Mario Galaxy character?
First off, Prince Eric, no, I'm not okay, and second off, the Super Mario Galaxy character you are referring to is Megaleg. He attacked me right after I got the sodas from the vending machine.
Really? Megaleg. I can't believe you would attack Princess Ariel right after she got the sodas from the vending machine. You know that attacking people is considered battery. Now Princess Ariel is hurt and she has to go to the clinic thanks to you. That's it. Flee from our sight and go home right now, and I will call your parents about this.
Megaleg. Get over here right now.
Megaleg. We just received a call from Prince Eric. He told us that you attacked Princess Ariel right after she got the sodas from the vending machine. You know that attacking people is considered battery. Now Princess Ariel is hurt and she has to go to the clinic thanks to you.
Your father's right, Megaleg. That's it. Because of what you did to Princess Ariel today, you are grounded for 2 weeks. Go to your room right now.
I hate you, Mom and Dad.